So when I said I do LS swaps all the time, that's why I say LS swap the world. I literally meant I eat, sleep, and breathe LS swaps. The rare and coveted, yay, cue the applause, 95 DGGM Caprice W. Nah, I ain't because it's my homie. So Impala SS. I ain't gonna hit him with the WX3 treatment. So what we have again, LS's 60 95 one piece 4L60E. How are we going to make this work? Bam. So this is the factory flex plate that comes with it. LS's, the dished flex plate is what you need. All right. As you can see, forgive me, I'm doing this one-handed. Your holes are going to be slightly off for the flex plate, okay? Easy. Set it on a torque converter. This is easiest to do when it's not in the car, by the way. At least the flex plate ain't hooked up. Line up, try to center up as much as you can, and slot your holes a little bit. Dremel tools, drill bits, all of the etceteras. That's all you need. So literally, dished flex plate, dished. Slap this on the back of your engine. After you slot the holes to fit the torque converter, then you're gonna slide this nice little sleeve right here, and that's all you need. So I'm gonna do this, hook everything up, take a pause break because I definitely can't do this with one hand, and show you what we got. And again, yep, those are the lines. 95, 96 4L60Es will absolutely work 200% with your LS swap in your B body / D body. And I almost super nutted up too. I'm getting ready to try to put this together. I forgot to put the sleeve in. Yikes. All right, so I fast forwarded through doing the other two bolts, but you get the point. Bam. You have now successfully hooked your 4L60E to an LS motor. Yay. So because it's a 60, still doing 60 things, but I've got the engine and transmission up at an angle. Make it easier on myself, because simply I'm just going to push the car forward. That way, with the transmission at an angle, it'll kind of swoop right down in the tunnel. Make it easy, whole lot less movement, etc, etc, etc. Yeah, right, you can tell I do this way too much. I can push a B-body with one hand. Leg strength, core strength. Don't let me lie to y'all. Here we have it. Now we're gonna lower the jack some, push it forward some more. Bam, this works. So I'm seriously gonna do some editing because I've just been like recording. Jack under the transmission to keep the transmission from angling down to the floor. Now we can get the motor off of the firewall by letting the motor down some. Oh, there we go. Now what we're gonna do is push the car forward some more, and everything should be in place. And I forgot, because mine currently isn't installed, 310s. Pull the windshield wiper motor out some, let it be loose. That'll help give you some clearance with getting the motor in on that passenger side. So it definitely takes a little finesse in doing it by yourself, but you're literally going to keep jack up the transmission a little, let it down a little, let the hoist down a little, bring the car forward, and eventually you'll get the motor in there. Yay. Let's get the mounts on, get the cross member up. We're gonna call it a day. And voila. We've got the motor, transmission in. Just need to lift the transmission up to slide the cross member back underneath the same way you snatch one out. We'll put that in the next video, hooking up the rest of the stuff, because I'm almost out of storage space. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So we're gonna end this segment here. Yeah.